Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And in this video, I would like to unbox this beautiful mandala that I purchased from Walmart. Actually, I was very surprised that there are a lot of diamond paintings in Walmart special edition that you wouldn't find anywhere else, even on Dotz website. So my mom actually went to Walmart and sent me a picture of all the kits that she saw there. Look at it. Isn't it gorgeous? So my choice was this one. Beautiful vintage glass heart mandala. It is pretty small. It is a special edition as well. It has 23 colors and the size is 27 by 27 centimeters, so 10 by 10 inches. So let's open it up and see how it looks. As always, let's start with the canvas. It is pretty small, especially in comparison to the ones that I am working on. And I think that is a really very nice canvas to rest and relax between bigger projects. So this kit comes with a canvas, a set of tools, pretty standard ones, and the drills. As to the canvas, the material the canvas is made of is not standard Diamond Dotz one. The back of it is similar to Team Yards. It feels cotton. Actually, in a way, it is soft, but not velvety as Diamond Art Club, rather cotton-like. But the front feels and looks like a regular vinyl canvas or like the Diamond Art Club one. So it is not polyester as, you know, standard Diamond Dots kits. As to the diamond painting area, so this is a partial round drill diamond painting kit. This area is not diamond painted, only the heart is. Stained glass heart mandala. This symbol printing is amazing. Symbols are very easy to read. I like that they are not traced in black wheels except of one symbol. This one, I guess it is white. 23 colors. Beautiful kit. Now let's look at the drills. I was actually very surprised to find out a mixture of different types of drills. I personally thought that this kit comes only with resin drills, but I was pleasantly surprised. So first of all, this kit has two AB colors, green one and yellow one, really pretty. Plus crystals, green crystals. Actually, I have never seen crystals that Diamond Dots would carry. I mean, I saw those transparent ones that I showed you in my previous videos, but any other colors? No. Now, the colors themselves are super bright, very vibrant, spring or better say summer-like. A lot of shades of lilac or purple, a lot of shades of blue, yellow, pink, like the colors of the rainbow. And of course, this kit has a lot of room for customization. I'm pretty sure that I will replace white color with ABs. I also have a lot of leftover drills in my storage that are ABs, especially purple and lilac colors. Not sure if I'm gonna replace pink ones because the shades are pretty tricky. I don't think I have anything like that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So those of you who have Walmart nearby, I would definitely advise you to check it out. $9.88 per kit. And again, this is special edition, and they have a variety of kits. Oh, sorry, the wrong one. And it's my daughter's. And I haven't seen these kits anywhere else except of Walmart. So special edition, nice. Why not to try it? Especially as a rest kit between your bigger projects or for the kids. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you soon.